Here's a little something I'm doing. Would you believe I found these in a skip in Ireland before I came to Latvia about 8 years ago? And I thought they'd be interesting for something. And I don't know why I brought them, but it's unbelievable now. They're perfect for my slot car track for barriers. They're flexible, right? They're very flexible, and they don't break. I don't know what type of plastic they are, but they're fantastic. So they're perfect for around my track. So I wanted to give them a bit of a look, like at barriers. And again, as you know, I'm a budget channel. I'm always about saving a few euros here and there and showing you things you can do. So if you can find some plastic similar, any sort of plastic that bends or, you know, something. So buy some of this tape. Buy some of this tape. This is just warning tape. Okay, it's €5. Take it off. It's perfect. Watch, I'll show you. Perfect size for this barrier. I'll go into the room and I'll show you one I've done already. So here's one of these I've done. As you can see, same stuff. The good thing is it's flexible, so you can bend it round to the track. Now what I plan to do is I plan to use some hot glue and hot glue to a few pieces to attach this into the track as well. But it won't move because it's against my heel. But that's just a sticker that was on a price sticker. So I can use this on all my. I have the same barrier down the far end here, there, and on this side I have the same barriers here. So they're all going to get this treatment. I'm really happy with that. There we are, folks. Just thought I'd show you that.